Looking for a stylish and reliable car? Look no further than the 2023 Volkswagen Golf 2.0 TDI 150B R-Line with rear-view camera. With 63952 kilometers, black exterior, and a 2-liter engine, this car is sure to turn heads. Packed with features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and parking assistance, driving has never been easier or safer. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. This car also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style today.